and gentlemen, to week 9 of the European League of Legends Championship Series.
My heart's beating, my hands are shaking.
Stunning, he's going to land here on towards Impale. Shockwave does get it this time. Comes through and hooked as well. Overpower still alive, but Selfie gets the finisher.
And I'm still getting the headshots, like boom, headshot.
We will kill your enemies.
Nice, nice.
He's getting bubbled up. Diamond going to come in from the side. Shook is there, however. That tidal wave going down. Diamond actually going to be caught out from this one.
Dum dum dee rum dum dooby dum dum.
We do see Candy being taken down in the back line of Spence Garrett, Freddy and Erasure are trying to do the work they can. Cotnex is still alive. Cotnex is going to get himself a double kill.
What kind of
It's reckless.
First kill secured by Reckless. We do see that's a double kill as he sidesteps the cocoon, looking for the triple.
one more.
Reckless
This
has
is
got a
gonna be
triple. He's looking for one shot. That's the quad